Welcome to Auto Avenue, your one-stop destination for everything automotive. Here, we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights into the world of cars. In today's video, we'll be diving into the 2025 Ford Puma, exploring its specs, features, and everything that makes this compact crossover a standout option in its segment. The 2025 Ford Puma continues to build on its reputation as a stylish and practical SUV, combining sporty design elements with everyday usability. On the exterior, the Puma features sleek lines, an aerodynamic profile, and bold details that give it a dynamic presence on the road. The signature LED headlights and redesigned grille add to its modern appeal, while a range of vibrant color options ensures that there's something for everyone. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Puma offers a variety of powertrain options to suit different needs. Its lineup includes efficient mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid engines, designed to deliver impressive fuel economy without compromising on performance. The latest EcoBoost technology ensures a smooth driving experience, while the addition of a dual-clutch automatic transmission enhances responsiveness and efficiency. Whether you're driving in the city or cruising on the highway, the Puma promises to deliver a comfortable and engaging ride. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin designed with comfort and convenience in mind. The 2025 Ford Puma boasts high-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and plenty of space for both passengers and cargo. The flexible rear seats and clever storage solutions make it easy to adapt the interior to your needs, whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or running daily errands. Advanced tech features, including a fully digital instrument cluster and a larger touchscreen infotainment system, ensure you stay connected and entertained throughout your journey. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Ford Puma, with an array of driver assistance features to give you peace of mind on the road. The latest model comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features work together to enhance your awareness and make driving easier, whether you're navigating busy city streets or taking on longer trips. The Puma also shines when it comes to sustainability and efficiency. The hybrid options not only reduce emissions but also lower running costs, making it an eco-friendly choice for modern drivers. Additionally, Ford has incorporated lightweight materials and aerodynamic enhancements to improve overall efficiency without sacrificing style or performance. Ford has also focused on making the Puma a connected car. With features like wireless smartphone integration, over-the-air updates, and a premium sound system, the 2025 Puma ensures that you're always plugged into your digital world. The advanced voice recognition system allows you to control key functions without taking your hands off the wheel, making every drive safer and more convenient. In terms of driving dynamics, the Puma offers a well-balanced ride with precise handling and responsive steering. The suspension is tuned to absorb road imperfections while maintaining agility, giving you confidence behind the wheel. The addition of selectable driving modes allows you to customize your driving experience, whether you're prioritizing comfort, performance, or efficiency. If you're in the market for a compact crossover that blends style, technology, and practicality, the 2025 Ford Puma is definitely worth considering. With its updated design, advanced features, and focus on efficiency, it continues to be a strong contender in its class. Thank you for tuning into Auto Avenue. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews, news, and updates. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next video.